Yeah, when it comes to bathrooms, it can be tricky. A lot of people like to go on different websites and just, try to choose pictures and try to fit it into their bathroom. And, there's the frameless doors, and then there's the ones that has frame on top, and then there's frame all the way around. So you really have to choose what you feel fits best your style. I remember looking for shower doors and on the computer and searching the internet, and I came across Shower Door Guy. They had so many pictures to choose from, and for us that made the job so much easier. First they send out a guy to do the measurements and make sure that everything is measured properly, and then their design team was phenomenal. They sent over emails and estimates about the pictures and got us a opportunity to choose from which one that we thought was best fit for our home. And then you'll get a call. You'll get a call to set up your installation date. When the guys come to your home, they were very careful to make sure that they're not tracking anything inside your home, and they left it as clean as they did leaving out. So, I did get a follow-up call, and sometimes you don't get follow-up calls, but they definitely did that. And they also came out just to make sure everything was still working properly. They did multiple bathrooms for us in our home. I highly recommend them. Like I said, they're very professional from the ownership all the way down. We just enjoyed the experience. Sometimes dealing with home renovations, it can go either way. And so you just don't really know. But for us, we were extremely, extremely proud for what they've done for us.